what is up, guys? If you guys give me another reaction. Today, guys, today with Elephant Man. Yeah, man, the energy god, Mr. O'Neal himself. And the genius, because myself, the genius, I hear production, this with the Hill Gully Riddim, Bumbo Cloud, with Him Gyal. Him Gyal official music video. Jump in the one and see where the energy gonna deal with the man Shizzle. Let's go. Bumbo.
She just miserable, so. Yeah, man, you gotta reach a party again.
Well, I'm a face, so I can't deal with this now.
Hold on.
Can't deal with this.
Babes, you and your friend then go drive the Benz and run it in a wall. So you have to work.
I can't deal with this. I'm going to take a
Mama crash the Benz and no one ride the donkey. Ride the donkey! Oh, yeah, crash the Benz. Oh, yeah, your friend them crash the Benz. Ride the donkey. Where your friend them? Make your friend them come ride the donkey too.
For real.
No,
Come
man.
face a sweat.
I told Bingo kind of tired and...
Come on.
Boy. Babes.
Yo.
Come Bingo.
Sure.
Come Bingo. Come.
I'm a donkey named Bingo. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O. And Bingo was its name. Oh, fuck that. Hey!
Take long for me reach too.
Come. No, man. I told him hungry, man.
Yo, one thing, Mama think for the donkey, you know. Hey, that animal is a godly creature, you know. Cause some pressure that the animal they go under. Steven, pick up yourself.
That bad. Yo, find it, J. That bad.
Yo, genius, pick up yourself, G. Cause yeah, when I produce them, we bring back them original dancehall beat. Me like it. Yo, only Elephant Man could have find a donkey right now in Jamaica. Only Elephant Man, bro.
How up she ready for it? How up she ready for it? Baby. How up she ready for it? Other wine the
Bobo glad. Jealous!
hold the man. Drop for me shovel and fork. Bucket and straw at Pokemon walk. The man what?
Bombo clad. Me telling us mama tick, you know. Shelly Belly, big up yourself. Yo, me telling us mama tick, you know. Me telling you.
Next door passing a
Watch it.
shots and the cock start to watch you pass. Hold him, girl, no let him go. Wind up your body pan him, do it fast and slow.
Bobo clad. The team. Miss Low. Big up yourself, Miss Low. Me not say you're in the video, I don't know anything, but yeah, this is a Miss Low. R.I.P. to the great. Big up yourself, Mama Low.
Hold him, girl, no let him go. Move up your legs, them girl, a feed me a soul. Girl, drop it, panny mother. Hold him, girl, can you do it a little faster? Hold him.
When Donkey want water, hold him, Joe. Donkey want Bobo clad. Yeah. At the team. Mm-hmm.
Him girl, drop it on the matter. Hold him girl, can't escape the torture. Hold him girl, so she give me a call, say she gone on the farm, so me drop.
Bombo clad. The production will go behind them. Well, the production will go in a them video, bro. Me telling you. Steven, big up.
After me fuck, we go plant piece of can. Pull up with the scarecrow, sound the alarm. She tear off her clothes at the drought, she a van and say.
Bombo clad. Elephant, that's all the lyrics. Yo, how this sound so low? I want for for me, like the audio sound low. I don't know what going. Why the audio sound so low? Let me see what going on. So everything up. So why it sound so low? Maybe I know what. Silly blood clot me. Alright, that's all. Alright. Let's go. Hopefully we can get a better sound now.
Me know she wet like a storm. Say she nervous and a fall for me charm. She come in at the chuck for me water the style. Then me press pan the hand. Hold him.
Bobo clad. She coming at the truck for me water the style. Then me press pan the hand. Yo, big up a God, man. Big up energy, God, man. Big up energy, blood clot, God.
Girl, no let him go. Wind up your body pan him, do it fast and slow. Hold him, girl, no let him go. Move up your legs, them girl, a feed me a soul.
And the fact says Steven turned this in one juggling, even make it more enjoyable. Yeah, we see the original rhythm them a take over about dancehall. We see it.
Drop it pan the mother. Hold him, girl. Can you do it a little faster? Hold him, girl. Drop it pan the mother. Hold him, girl. Can't escape the torture. Hold him, girl. So.
Comment section. Which artist went on the pan the rhythm where you would love to see pan the rhythm? For fuck up to fuck up the rhythm, yeah. Alright, no. Which artist you feel say would have damaged the rhythm yeah, wickedly?
So me hold her so, now let her go. She a try get wet, me say where ya go. So me dig in her style and me fertilize to a couple songs from 1935. Me a
Bobo Clad, dig in her style with that. Yes, baby.
banana so go fi yam, ya go fi the bucket and fat.
What I'm saying?
Songs from 1935. Me have a banana so go fi yam, ya go fi the bucket and fat. Lift up
Me have a banana, so go for the yam. I go for the bucket and fuck. Go for the yam. Yeah, but alright.
your body, rev it and slam it and park. You see me machete fi go cut your yam stock. Say she like the long stick, no one shot.
You see me machete fi go cut your yam stock. Say she wait a man, elephant man.
Let him go, wind up your body pan him, breathe fast and slow. Hold him, girl, no let him go. Move up your legs, them girl a feed me a soul. Girl, drop it pan him harder. Hold him.
Yo, that video from the start to right yourself have everything old school. Have it complement what Elephant has say. And it complement the rhythm as well. Hill Gully Riddim. And we see Massacre video do the same thing as well. So the team where them go for is an old school team.
Girl, can you do it a little faster? Hold him, girl. Drop it on the marker. Hold him, girl. Can't escape the torture. Hold him, girl. Girl, bend your back, leg up.
Yo, the girl in this stick in a dog. Look for mama. Big up the girl.
Proxy the latter, then you chop body when she a sweat through the sunny weather. Hard she go for the boots, them and never that me send you back. Slap her on her body, watch your shape when me send you back.
She go for the boots, them and never that me send you for. Slap her on her body, watch your shape, but wait.
Same time, couple gyal a march and I said them want touch the farmer on the barnyard. All past her daughter, say she want swallow little yam and banana and yam cassava.
Bobo Clap. Pastor daughter want get wild. Pastor daughter want swallow one yam and banana and swallow cassava and beer things in the barnyard. Pastor daughter, hold the daughter.
Girl, no let him go. Wind up your body pan him, breathe fast and slow. Hold him, girl, no let him go. Move up your legs, them girl a feed me a soul. Girl, drop it pan him harder. Hold him, girl.
That video look fun for me. That video look fun from start to finish.
And you do it a little faster. Hold him, girl. Drop it on the matter. Hold him, girl. Can't escape the torture. Hold him, girl.
Steve, yeah.
Are we on the girl in my reason?
Simon the Great, big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up the production team. Yes. Miss Reese, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Bad. I like the team. I like the whole team. Any more song drop it or just Massacre on this? Let me know what go on in the comment section now, please. Alright? Big up yourself, Energy God. Big up yourself, as usual. Big up yourself, G. Shizzle. Big up the moms in the video. I like the team where that rhythm I go for. Obviously, I have to go for that rhythm. I have to go for that team because of the team. It's only right. You see me? Yeah. Hold him, gyal. Blood clot. Catch you down in the comment section still. Dance all nice again. I'm out.